Hey everybody, you're watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are going to be replacing some license plate lights on the 92 Fummins. Joke's on you, Mark Zuckerberg. Can't steal my information. Okay, so the truck used to have these license plate lights, both brand new, and the bulb got too hot. Actually, there's a hole in this one. Yeah, you should be able to see that. So, kind of a disappointment. So, I think these actually go to cargo trailers and stuff, but I almost got them for free, just because of my $5 off thing at the O'Reilly's, and I only had to pay like $2. So I thought I'd give these a shot. These actually have a ground wire, so who knows if they'll actually work better, because maybe the bulbs got too hot because there wasn't a good enough ground. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to get some screws for the other one because I can't find them. Screw these in. Do maybe a little bit of silicone. No, I'm not gonna do silicone because it's a bumper. It's not the cab. And then we'll have to run all of our wires. So I'm gonna go get my impact. Here we go. Okay, since there is not a ground wire ran back to the bumper and the whole vehicle is grounded, I've taken the ground wire of the light, put it on a pigtail, I think that's what they call these, and then run it through the screw, and then the screw goes through the bolt hole, or for the hole, and then that's how it's going to get its grounding. I'm going to do the same for the other side, pull that off, do the same thing, hook up the positives, and then test to see if they both work at the same time. Alright, we have now got our two license plate lights lit up, and I have not been able to test them at night yet, but I'm pretty sure they'll do a pretty good job. Now let's hope these they don't blow out as fast. They are a little bit of a smaller bulb and they have a better grounding setup. So yeah, so that's just me replacing my license plate lights. You gotta have them or cops will pull you over. They haven't been doing it lately, but I'm pretty sure they will one day. So now that, sorry, I'm playing my music. I should pause that. Pause! So now that those are done, this truck is now back to road legal. I mean, it's road legal before, that's not a big issue. But you still want to fix this stuff. You don't want to just let it keep piling up. So, yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.